Am I weird? Lucas found it. I didn't know this exists. Quick little short made. Am I the only one here? I thought this is a game changer. Who does remember my craze for this punch with a stamp? I made a page as well with it, which I truly loved, and there is a quick little short made. But then, you're not gonna believe it, Lucas found it online. This, I think he got it honestly on Temu, I can't remember, but I think it was one of those websites. And he said, why did you buy these punches where there's like one shape when you can have a border and have any size and shape? And I was like, all right, I didn't know this exists. So let's try. And you know what I was thinking? How about using one of the tickets? I'm trying to be a little bit courageous here. Let's say I'm going to use this one just to see what can we actually do with a punch like that. Because it's honestly a pure experiment. Let's see where this will take us. Is this? Oh. Okay. Oh wait. I thought that this is everywhere. 1 second. I'm going to cut this. No. This is so funny. Okay, it's in between these two ones, right? Haha. If there is something, I don't know, design. I love this. I think it's good. It's giving the exact similar vibe, even size-wise. It's the same. Is this the same? Oh wait, I have something. So it's quite similar. Why did I think this is here? I thought it says border punch, which means you can make stamps of all sizes, but then you don't have the postal stamps of all sizes as such. Maybe slightly bigger, slightly smaller. Am I weird with this? Because I don't know. I thought this is a game changer when Lucas showed it to me, and for whatever reason I haven't. Then let me know if this punch makes sense to you. How different can I use it and make this efficient, or prove it that it's better than this thing? Do you know what? Maybe it's because I show you what time is now. This is the time. It's 1 o'clock in the morning and 9% battery. So it's really late, truly. Maybe this is why I'm not really thinking straight about it. I thought that this is so good and such a life changer, and I don't think it is, unless I'm missing something, so please let me know. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Bye for now. Bye bye.